Well, door mats were the first means of activating and safety for automatic doors.
The LZR MicroScan is a combination of years of research, innovation, and collaboration from not only our US-based engineering team, but our global engineering team in Belgium. The LZR MicroScan is a combination of the Bodyguard and the SuperScan sensors that we previously had, but what we decided to do was take the best aspects of both of the sensors to create a standalone door-mounted sensor system without overhead presence. In addition, the LZR MicroScan now utilizes time-of-flight technology, which is completely background independent, reducing any nuisances that the Bodyguard or the SuperScans would have before.
Laser-based time-of-flight technology is the sensing system of the future. It is extremely versatile and totally immune to environmental factors. It is the most reliable and safest way to protect people on the market.
The amount of time testing combined with the detail and complexity of the testing demonstrates the unsurpassed safety and reliability of the LZR MicroScan. The LZR MicroScan is truly what our customers want. Once we got the sensor working the way that we wanted to, we had many thousands of hours of testing with big doors, small doors, tall doors, single doors, pairs of doors, independent dual egress, regular dual egress, and every other manufacturer out there that we could find.
One sensor system that mounts on the door provides a great safety level, takes care of the startle factor, and is just very, very simple to use.